Hi, welcome to Glitech Fix. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'll be sharing with you on how to install Mayhem app on your device. So the first thing you have to do is to go to any browser of your choice. For this video, I'll be making use of my Chrome browser. Type in Mayhem. It's going to give you this home page. Click on the first website here. Next thing you have to do is to click on the download option. Now you click on this download Mayhem version here. Click download again. The next thing you have to do is to click on the Mayhem app. Click on the install option to install it on your device. Click on the open option here. So from here you just click on the next option. Select the particular folder where this app will be. So let me just select this folder and click on this, then click on next option. So you're going to grant install app permission. Just click on tool here, click on notification, allow it to be turned on. So I don't want this app to run on my background, so I'm not going to allow battery usage on the background. So click on the next option. So just click on get started. Next thing you can do is to click on the more option here. From here, click on your settings option. So you have to add an extension. To do that, you just click on the extension repo. Now go to your browser again. To right here, you type in Watoku extension. Click on the first website here. Screw this manga, you're going to see where we have Kayushi. Click on the store option. Click on the app, which is Mihon. Click on always. So click on the add, it will be added. So guys, that is it on how to install Mayhem app on your device. If this video was helpful, please do also follow Glitech Fix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.